The president of the Uganda Law Society has urged President Museveni to appoint a substantive chief justice within the next 2 months.
Between 30 to 60 days, we should be making sure we meet and engage the president. We can then evaluate our efforts after 60 days. If this does not yield any results, we will be looking at industrial action in solidarity with the bench.
The government has, however, rejected the request, saying the Law Society members are overstepping their boundaries.
Giving the president 60 days is an ultimatum. We reject it. This president has never been, will never be, compelled by ultimatums from whomsoever, Uganda Law Society or otherwise.
The lawyers voiced their concerns about the president's delay in appointing a substantive chief justice, despite the identification of suitable candidates earlier on.
This state of affairs relegates the judiciary to a department of the government rather than an arm of government. We can all imagine the consequences of having no president or vice president for 1 year in this country. We are also looking into the possibility of court action within the region to deal with this situation.
The institution of the Chief Justice and Deputy Chief Justice are there. I want to challenge them to give us one single case where a case has failed to take off, a litigant has failed to go to court because there is no Deputy Chief Justice at the Court of Appeal.
The Law Society president also denounced the recent abuse of court orders by the police and resident district commissioners.
If one person usurps the power of an entire institution, there will be distrust for and apathy towards the institution by the users of the courts.
A number of Law Society members have expressed their dissatisfaction with the legal advice that the Attorney General Peter Nyombi has been offering the government. The Attorney General sued the body, seeking an apology and cancellation of the certificate of incompetence issued to him late last year.
What's wrong?
Ernest Wisdom Chionga, NTV.
You